Hi, this is our customer appreciation time for you. Hi, this is Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. Are you on the Lynch Believers team? Well, if you are, meaning a customer with the Lynch Believers team, you are in luck, because with every $100 that you place in product from last night, which was whatever last night was, May 7th through May 17th, you are going to get in an extra raffle. So for every $100 in product that you spend with your consultant in the Lynch division, you are going to get into a raffle to get our barbecue tools, which are in the catalog right now. You are going to get this beautiful spatula that has the ridges on the side. Yes, you can get this in the catalog, this set, but why not get it right now when you enter the raffle? You're going to get the basting brush. You are going to get the fork, as well as these massive tongs. But this piece here is at the moment not available. This is our rectangular grilling barbecue pan. Put it on your grill, right? And you can be sauteing all your wonderful fresh vegetables that you are going to be growing this season. You can actually cook a pizza right on here on the grill outside. You can be cooking your corn on the cob, everything. So that way it's not going to fall into the grates. Have it right on here. Stainless steel, 1810 stainless steel. This set is a customer appreciation for anybody that's in our Believers division. It is our Princess House Barbecue Rectangular Grilling Pan Tool Set, valued at $289.90. And you will get a ticket for every $100 that you buy with your consultant from last night till May 17th. So reach out to me, Patty Lynch, plynch196 @gmail.com, or your consultant on the Believers team to get into this raffle. This is our customer appreciation. I want you to be grilling up all those scrumptious, delicious yummies this season and showcasing them in Princess House. So why not get an extra bonus from doing that? All right, thank you guys, and remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. I will be posting the customer specials below. Remember, it is buy one item, get the next for half off the entire catalog. Plus we have all these outstanding bundles that you can get into, as well as customer specials. We have the Tamarilla, we have some other amazing things. So check them out below after I post this video. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.